Though market showed significant upside on Friday, but gold's chart is not going for a trend reversal yet. We can clearly see the chart is full of traps, and gold is giving us a tough time for the last few days because there is a frequent trend change, isn't it? So let's try to find out what is going on the chart of gold and where are the trading opportunities for Monday. So first and foremost, let's look at the daily chart of gold. So this is a daily chart of gold. So if you're a positional trader, if you prefer to hold position for months and years, then obviously this is the only chart you should be looking. And as we all know, the overall trend of gold is always bullish. So as a positional trader, okay, your only trading strategy is buy at dip. So every dip is a buying opportunity for you. Okay, and overall the chart is bullish, there is no doubt about it. But if you look at the market structure carefully, then you will see that gold is forming lower highs for the last couple of weeks, and formation of lower highs is not a very good sign. But here gold recovered. So when gold made this particular low here, gold recovered nicely, and right now gold is still trading above the 200 moving average, which is also a positive sign for gold. So if you are a positional trader, then okay, there is a good chance that gold will try to hold the level here. So in simple words, 4000 is a very key crucial level. As long as gold is trading above 4000, you can expect that if market comes down also, within just couple of days gold will be recovering. But right now, okay, if gold really wants to go for a significant upside, it needs to cross 5000. If gold crosses 5000, then only there will be a structural change again. Means market will be forming higher highs again. And for a nice bull run, we need higher highs and higher lows. Anyways, if you're a positional trader, okay, you don't need to worry much. Okay, you just need to wait for the right time. And if you're a swing trader, already I have discussed many times also that swing traders, this is not the ideal chart for you, because swing traders means you need nice swings in the market, or you need a good trend in the market. Upside downside doesn't matter, but gold is giving us a tough time. The trend of the market is changing frequently. Okay, so if you're a swing trader looking for a trade for 5 days, 7 days, then obviously gold is not the right instrument for you right now. Either you need to be a day trader or a positional trader. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold is up by 2%. Gold extend gains as investors await US-Iran deal news. Gold gains on US-Iran ceasefire optimism but set for a monthly drop. Gold rose more than 1% on Friday after reports that US and Iran may have agreed to extend the ceasefire, though it was still headed for a monthly decline as inflation concerns and expectations of higher interest rates weighed on prices. In simple words, my dear friend, the fundamentals are also not clear right now, as we have seen in the last few days that the fundamentals or the war scenario is also changing very frequently. As a result, gold was stuck in a range for quite some time, or gold is still stuck in a range, because if you look at the chart, if you look at the chart, for example, if you look at the hourly chart, you can see that gold was stuck in a range. Why gold was stuck in a range? And still gold is unable to cross 460. Why? Because the fundamentals are not clear. And as we all know, for a trend reversal, trend continuation, upside, downside, fundamentals are not very important. Actually, fundamentals give direction to the market, and right now fundamentals are not very clear. For example, if you want gold to be bullish for the next 2 weeks, you need a solid fundamental reason. Okay, that is missing right now. Okay, anyways, let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday. And my dear friends, if you're serious about trading and you want to become a member of our premium WhatsApp group where you will be receiving a regular market updates and analysis, you can open your trading account with Vantage Markets. Because Vantage Market is not only a global brand with more than 5 million registered users, but they are one of the most trusted platform as well. So if you are looking for a reliable trading platform and guidance, okay, then feel free to open your trading account with Vantage Markets. The link is in the description. But if you are from India and looking for smooth deposit and withdrawal through UPI or net banking, then I will suggest you to go with Ultima Markets. Don't think that I'm promoting different platforms. Okay, Vantage Market, Ultima Market, okay, they are sister companies. In fact, their dashboard is also same. Okay, so if you are looking for UPI net banking, then it will be better for you to go with the Ultima Market, because at this moment in India, Ultima is giving the smooth deposit and withdrawal through UPI net banking. Otherwise, Vantage is the best solution. Okay, if you want to go with Vantage, then it's up to you. Okay, anyways, open your account with Vantage or Ultima. The link is in the description. Once you're done with the account opening and deposit, just share a WhatsApp message. Everything is on the description box. If you have been watching my videos, then you know this yellow box very well, because we have discussed plenty of times in our previous videos that 4590 to 4600, yeah, 4600 is a crucial level. It's a resistance zone or the seller's zone for us. And yesterday, after making a high of 459394, we saw gold came down. Ultimately, gold closed around 4541 4542 area. So the market opening is going to be very important. As you can see that we have 5 black arrows here. It means that gold has already tested the resistance zone 5 to 6 times already. Here, if you see, you can clearly see that gold was trying to cross the level throughout that, if you remember. Okay, but overall gold failed. So the level has been tested many times, and as we all know, when a level becomes too common, or when market tries to, when market tests the level too many times, there is a high chance that either market will go for liquidity grab or market will break the level, because the level loses its strength. And this is how market functions. So here, my dear friends, okay, on Monday after the market opening, if gold starts going up, there's a high chance that market will either go for some liquidity grab and market may come down. So directly do not buy at breakout if the volume is not very high. For example, if you see market is going up with candle size like this, then there's a high chance that market will be coming down again. So if market comes down after liquidity grab, we can look for a sell position below 4600. We can look for sell below 4600. In case something happens during the weekend and market goes up straight, then we can look for buy at breakout. Otherwise, there's a high chance that market will go for a liquidity grab. Or, my dear friends, during the day, if you see the market is taking support around 4590 4600, we can look for buy at pullback as well. As we all know, buying at pullback is always safer in comparison buying at breakout. So it depends on the market opening right now. If market goes up with big candles, then we can straight away go for buy above 4600. Okay, but if the volume is not very high, then there's a high chance that after making a high of, let's say, 4615 4620, market will come down. It means that there is SL hunting, and we can look for sell below 4600. If there is a good breakout, then obviously market will give us a chance to buy at pullback as well. So it all depends on the volume right now. But yeah, there is a high chance that market will cross 4600. Okay, why? Because market has already tested 4600 or this particular resistance zone many times. And as we all know, market doesn't like common things. And if market goes down after the market opening, then we have a support around 4510 4500. So here we have a support zone around 4510 4500. Why? Because, my dear friends, you can see the previous resistance will be working as support here, and if we draw FIBO here, we also have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. If the volume is not very high, see, volume plays a very important role. For example, if you see the market is coming down to a big red candle, then obviously the level is not going to work. But if market comes down with candle size like this, small candles, then obviously there's a high chance that market will be taking support. And after all, 4500 is a round number psychological level. So around 4510 4500, if market takes support after opening, we can look for buy as well. and the second support is around 44,55250. Chances of market coming to 44,550 is less, so let's wait and watch how does the market open. If you look at the Fibonacci here, you'll observe one more thing, that already market closed at 4540. Market closed at Fibonacci 0.236. So if market behaves like a normal Monday market, listen to me carefully. If the volume is very low, okay, if the volume is very low, then there's a high chance that market will take support and bounce from here. Okay, so it all depends on the market opening right now. Sadly, okay, in the last couple of weeks we have seen that market openings are little volatile these days. Okay, but in case market opens with low volume, then there's a chance that market may take support from 4540. If it does, okay, then we can look for a quick buy here as well. Otherwise, if we see market taking support around 4500, 4510, there also we can buy. And if any news comes out during the weekend, market falls like crazy, okay, then gold will be back inside the range. फिर से range में आ जाएगा, सब खत्म सर्वनाश, okay, and our support zone will be around 4450, 4455. But as market tested 4600, 4590 level on Friday, we are expecting market to go up again because market has already tested the resistance many times already. And as we all know, okay, when a level becomes too common, there's a high chance that market will be going up. So if market goes up from here, okay, we can buy at breakout if we see big candle, okay, big candles. Otherwise, we will try to buy at pullback, or if market comes down, we will look for liquidity grab and take a sell position below 4600. So it all depends on the opening right now, okay, and the market sentiment is also mixed up. Let's wait and watch and stay in touch with the news. Any news from White House will have a direct impact. Anyways, have a lovely weekend. Enjoy with your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care.